everyone! So this is Miss Anna. So for today's video, we will give you an idea what are the four major types of life insurance that an insurance company will offer. First one is the term insurance. This is very affordable but this is renewable. The second one is life insurance with investment. The example for this is the VUL. So may portion lang doon na ini-invest but this is not a pure investment. And this plan also, you can partially withdraw. So, in a period of time. So, pwede ka mag-partial withdraw for the business, for the retirement, or pang-education ng anak mo. And number 3 or the third one is the life insurance with endowment benefits or yung may pension every other year. So, like elite plan, so until age 100. So, this is pwede ka magbayad for 10 years or 5 years. So, depende kung ano yung plan ang kukunin mo at ilang years mo gustong bayaran. Meron tayong 5 or 10 years. So, this is good for the retirement. Also, an education. And number 4 is the health insurance. So, health insurance, dito naman ay concern dito about health issues. So, ibig sabihin, nagka-focus siya sa health natin. So, nakakatulong sa atin ito pagka magkaroon tayo ng critical illness. So, you have funds or makaklaim tayo dito pagka meron kang plan dito. So, pang-ready mo to pag magkaroon ng critical illness. And then, example for this is the Sunfit and Well. And of course, further explanation with those four major types of life insurance, you can message me. So, kunting paalala lamang na you have to get an insurance while you are still young and healthy. At syempre, may trabaho ka dahil meron tayong hinuhulugan monthly. And sa mga nagsasabi na mahal magpa-insured, no, it's a very affordable. Kailangan mo lang talaga is may makakausap ka na advisor na suit doon sa budget mo or budget friendly. So, talk to us dahil mas maganda pa rin na may makausap ka na advisor. Hindi lang sa nakikita mo or sa mga advice ng mga friends mo. So, talk to an licensed financial advisor para mag-guide namin kayo kung ano yung plan na para sa inyo. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye!